I beg. I just want paper and one photocopy. Okay. May just allow me, please. Excuse me. Leave my man gbanu. We go dey solve that one tomorrow. Oh yeah, bring soap.
What type of planning?
I have respect. You can start, sir. It's fine.
I'm a Ruby Costa.
No, that's okay.
Correct.
You have done well. You are our future, so you can go ahead. You can start.
Okay.
Well, if you say so. Yo, my people. You guys, man, you too much.
Okay.
Among all these plenty students with different characters, the ones with their ass, the ones they do everything at the end of the day, and a short stop finder.
Wow!
Yes, so GD won. For student edition corporate to Allah. In fact, as you see me here, I don't ready. Before they call resumption, me, I don't resume. So now when you see, say, I don't even get new tie. Those of you who are very observant, you look for you say this tie. Get ready. So as it be now, wetin come be say my job. Let me just let you know that you did the right thing. Nobody else waiting for people for me sense. Na me, Jide. Because for this job now, I go expose things for two kinds of people. Now the only work I collect be that.
Okay.
One, parents. Parents, you see, you go school, me agree. But you see, school now don't dey different. Na fact I tell you.
Continue.
So I'm gonna give you tips. Wetin dey happen? Make you shine your eye. Go carry filter, carry magnifying glass. They begin check your pikins. Yes, now for good though. Not be everything they bad actually. I will show you things. Then the second set of people I get assignment for na students. I know say you surprised. No worry, that one where I talk first. Man, show you ways. Ways where you go there. Nothing dey happen. You go come out from school well, do well. Your result go dey bam. Na so e go be. So wetin you do correct. And don't worry yourself. This one no be only university things. Na secondary school new. Na out of school things new. Anywhere where students dey gather, you fit find Jide there now. And that is one of the beautiful things about this series. You see, corporate wahala for this wahala with Grace Universe. Now the only one wey get two lead characters for one series.
Wow.
That's to tell you say we important well. Why? Because if you dey watch us, you go be one of us. Either you dey work somewhere or you dey look for the work.
Correct.
Or you be students wey go school or you dey attempt to go the school. You see say we don help you. And I tell you for workplace edition, when I pick me, Oga Foley, as the lead character, which book wey I read? Which place where I know where I don't go, but na pick me. I promise you na go enjoy am. See no profession where there is life where we no go enter. Work where I no know sef I go enter am because of you. We go touch their life. Yes, we go touch am. Na so Oga Foley don yarn now finish. So as e be so now, to wrap this up for today, me I get to hail una. I get to show my respects. Men I know say yes, this person when I pick, he cook well, tight. You understand? So now what I want to do now is I want to give you one small dance move. That move I want you to hold until we see next season. Because by the time we see like this, we enter. Oh yeah now. No be only you get dance moves, so me too. I go give my people moves. Yes, today we go see them. Say thank you and to celebrate you till I see you in the next season. Oh yeah.
Monday morning talking about me while I'm making money.